New details tonight in a CBS News Colorado investigation. Your investigator, Katie Weiss, shared Steve Strawn's story over the last few weeks. Back in 2019, he was working on a frac tank north of Greeley when it exploded. He was thrown into the air, ultimately breaking his ankle, knee, hip, pelvis, back, and almost all of his ribs. His leg also had to be amputated. A federal judge recently awarded him a $30 million settlement.
Yeah, but he's only going to receive about half of that because of state laws capping jury awards for pain and suffering. Steve's lawyer is among those advocating for that cap to be removed through a proposed ballot measure this November.
Hoping voters of Colorado make the right decision this fall and get rid of this relic from 40 years ago that says a legislator knows better than a jury as to how much someone suffered and how much pain they've gone through.
Investigator Katie Weiss joins us now in studio.
And Katie, after your story aired last night, you actually heard back from a doctor who believes that removing those caps could have unintended consequences for healthcare providers in our state.
Yes, absolutely, Michael. This is something that really has a lot of doctors worried in our state. I spoke with an OBGYN physician who tells me if caps on pain and suffering jury awards were to go away, it could make it hard for small business owners to stay afloat and could end up passing higher costs onto consumers.
We want to do what's fair and what's right.
Dr. Katrina Bubier runs her own OBGYN practice in Littleton. She's against Initiative 150, a measure voters could see on their ballots this November that would eliminate caps on non-economic or pain and suffering damages awarded in court cases.
It's not just about medicine. It has to do with all of us and every person, from car insurance to liability insurance. It's going to affect us all. So if there's not a cap, it will raise the cost of living in Colorado even further and may push small businesses out, push medical providers out, make it to where it's more difficult to access care.
Instead, she supports slowly increasing caps over the next few years. Senate Bill 130 proposed this session would increase medical malpractice pain and suffering caps from $300,000 to $500,000.
You just need to be a limit, because if you don't put a limit on it, it's going to just increase costs across the board.
Groups in favor of eliminating the caps point to some recent studies that have found cap laws do not lower insurance premiums. But groups opposed point to a 2007 National Institutes of Health study that found insurance rates were about 17% lower in states with caps. Dr. Bubier worries if caps were eliminated altogether, it could force some Colorado doctors out of business.
I do know of a handful of physicians personally that have left states that can't afford to be in that state anymore. Their medical malpractice is at such a level that they're like, I don't want to work here anymore. I need to go to a different state.
Now, she also says attorneys stand to gain a lot of money if these caps are removed. COPIC, an organization that she works with for insurance, supports two alternative ballot measures, which would cap attorney fees and would require more fee transparency from attorneys in civil cases instead of eliminating pain and suffering caps altogether. Now, of course, guys, all of these measures that are proposed for the upcoming election in November still need to gain enough signatures to even be on the ballot in the first place. So we'll, of course, let you all know what happens.
Yeah, we know you'll stay on top of that for us, Katie. Thank you.